Make money with Facebook advertising secrets. Facebook advertising is one of the most effective ways for businesses to reach a wider audience and generate sales. However, not all Facebook advertising campaigns are created equal, and there are certain secrets that can be used to increase the effectiveness of these campaigns. One of the most important secrets of successful Facebook advertising is targeting. Facebook offers a range of targeting options, including demographics, interests, and behaviors. By carefully targeting a Facebook advertising campaign, businesses can reach a specific audience that is most likely to be interested in their product or service. Another secret to successful Facebook advertising is the use of engaging ad content. This can include eye-catching images, attention-grabbing headlines, and compelling ad copy. By creating engaging content, businesses can increase the click-through rate and ultimately generate more sales. In addition to targeting and engaging ad content, businesses can also increase the effectiveness of their Facebook advertising campaigns by testing and optimizing. This can include testing different ad formats, targeting options, and ad content to determine what works best for a particular audience. Another Facebook advertising secret is the use of retargeting. Retargeting involves targeting users who have previously engaged with a brand or website. By retargeting these users with Facebook advertising, businesses can increase the likelihood of a sale by reminding users of their previous interest in a product or service. Finally, businesses can increase the effectiveness of their Facebook advertising campaigns by leveraging social proof. This can include using customer reviews and testimonials in ad content to increase credibility and trust with potential customers. To be successful with Facebook advertising, it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. This can include attending webinars, reading industry blogs, and staying informed on changes to the Facebook advertising platform. Overall, Facebook advertising offers a range of secrets that can be used to increase the effectiveness of campaigns and generate more sales. By targeting a specific audience, creating engaging ad content, testing and optimizing campaigns, retargeting, and leveraging social proof, businesses can increase their chances of success on the platform.